Hi, my name is Sally, and I can show you how getting ready for a SOC 2 project can go from this.
Anyone know what
Do we
controls
have
are
an
in scope for
acceptable
the
use
SOC 2
policy?
and what evidence
Does
are
anybody
needed?
have any idea how to implement this control?
To this.
Introducing Cyberator Certificate in a Box solution, the game changer for all your audits. It gives you everything you need to get started on your IT security certifications right out of box, along with our expert advice. With Cyberator, you can reduce manual efforts to a minimum. No more tedious spreadsheets or countless hours of data entry. You'll slash the time required for your audit prep by half, allowing your team to focus on what truly matters. And guess what? You'll also reduce costs. Cyberator is an investment that pays for itself. Your compliance team will love it. Say goodbye to burnout and hello to efficiency. Are you ready to transform your security audit experience? Contact us today and schedule your demo.